Hello and welcome to Grant Writing Essentials. Do you know how to write a grant? Grant writing is not complicated or mysterious if you understand the basic parts of a proposal and the required information for each section. Most people think of grants as free money to support their community programs, nonprofit, or educational pursuits. However, the competition for corporate or philanthropic funding is fierce and requires high levels of accuracy, formality, and professionalism. Basically, you're trying to convince people that your organization is worthy of their money and that you will spend it wisely as outlined in your proposal. This online class, Grant Writing Essentials, is an excellent beginner's guide to grant proposals. Learn about the grant writing process, what information to include, and persuasive techniques to enhance your final document and win the money. You will get video lessons, lecture slides, quizzes, sample PDF documents of grant proposals, and 24/7 access for the time of your class session. Go ahead and get enrolled. Go to www.prowritingskills.com. That's prowritingskills.com.